Hello, my name is Rebecca and I want to show you what I do in my free times. I really like to do jewelry. I am an abstract artist. I paint abstract canvases, but I found out this is very entertaining for me and I really like it. What I have right now, I wanted to show you for that I have it on. It is very fun earring. I can see, I hope you can see. It's very natural looking. And also I have this necklace that is really light and really fun. It goes with everything. And it is really, really convenient because it's paper, just paper. And I have it here. See? This is how I start. All of this has around 8 steps to get to this, because you cannot just put paper because it will be broken. But I have to have a couple things to do. I have to do it. Well, anyway, I don't try to teach you with this. I just showing you what I'm doing, because you can find many YouTubes that they will teach you how to do jewelry. I do also collage, and I do, here is another paper. It's just paper. And I do many texture, I have many of them. This one, I like it a lot. I want to show you. This is kind of fun. So this is what I want to show you, what I do. I hope everything is okay with you, and I hope also that you can find something to do if you don't have any hobby. Just find something that you really like. What else I can tell you? God bless you. Take care of yourself, okay? Bye.